and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 6F Classwork Even Budget. So open the Excel 6F Excel chapter 6. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 6F Classwork Event Budgets and Go 22 Excel Chapter 6 Graders and 6F Homework Event Budgets. So download the materials and download the all files. Go to the download and open the Word file Excel 6F Event Budget and next is open the Excel file. So click the enable editing and assignment title is Excel 6F event budget. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link. So assignment title is Excel 6F event budget. So we move to the main project step. Is the step number 1. So step number 1 is open the Excel file student Excel 6F event budget access downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel CX 6F event budget. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in cell B16 type item and press tab. In cell C16 type the descriptions. In cell D16 type the actual. In cell E16 type a budget. In cell F16 type the variance. In cell C26 type the total. So B16 in item, so copy the item and B16, so select the B16 and type item and press enter. And next is press tab button and C16 is description. So next is C16 is description, press enter. And next is B16 and C16 and D16 is actual. So D16, select the D16 and actual, press enter. And next is E16 type budget. So E16, select the E16 and type budget and press tab button. And next is F16 variance. So copy the title and paste the title in cell F16 variance. And next is last is C26 type the total. So copy the total and paste the C26. Select the C26 is type total and press enter. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is to the range CA to C12 and B60 to F16 apply the board. To the range CA to C12 apply align right. To the range DA to D12 apply the align left. Select the column BF and display the column with dialog box and set the width of column BF to 15. So copy the range CA to C12 and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. And next is B60 to F16. B60 to F16, B60 to F16 and apply the board. So go to the home tabs, go to the phone groups and click the bold, and next is bold to the range C8 to C12. So copy the title and paste the title, press enter and apply the align right. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and click the align right, and next is to the range G8 to D12 apply the align left. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter and apply the align left and align left. Next is select the column BF and display the column width dialog box, and then set the width of column BF 15. So select the column B to F. So select the column B to F and column width is 15. So right click and column width is 15 and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is to construct a formula to complete the variance, actual and its budget for each budget item in cell F70. Type is equal to D70 minus E70 and copy the formula down through cell F25. So the construct a formula to complete the variance, actual and its budget for each budget item in cell F70. Type is equal to D70 minus E70 and copy the formula down through cell F25. So in cell F70 and F70 and type the formula. So copy the formula and paste the formula, press enter. Next is copy the formula down through cell F25. So copy the formula in cell F25. Cell F25. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in the range D26 to F26 insert the shared formula to sum these columns to the range D80 to F25. Apply the comma style to the range D70 to F17 and D26 to F26. Apply the accounting number format. Remember that you are creating the template, so there is no data enter yet. So copy the range D26 to F26 and paste the range, press enter and insert the appreciate formula to sum these columns. So insert the appreciates to the sum these columns and to the range D80 to F25. Apply the comma style to these to the range D70 to F70, D26 to F26. Apply the accounting number format. So and D26 to F26. Apply the auto sum. So type is equal to type the sum function and press enter, and next is D26 to F26, 6 to F26, and next is to the sum these column to the range D80 to F25. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and next is apply the comma style. Go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and the comma style to the range D70 to F17. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and next is D26 to F26 and D26 to F26 and D26 to F26 and apply the accounting number format. So go to the home tabs, go to the alignment groups and apply the accounting number format. And remember that you are creating the template, so there is no data entered yet. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, and navigate to cell E1, insert the picture and logo JPG, select the range A60 to A26 and then apply the mergent center and change the orientation to rotate text up. Type the event budgets and press enter and select the my cell, apply the middle line and apply the bold and change the font size to 24. In cell E1, so select the E1 and E1, insert the pictures 6F logo and select the range A6 to A26 and then apply the margin center. So insert the pictures, so go to the insert tabs and go to the illustration groups and click the pictures and this device, go to the downloads and insert the 6F logo, click the insert and insert the picture. And next is A62 A26, apply the margin center, press enter. And next is apply the margin center, so go to the home tabs, go to the element groups and click the margin center. And next is change the orientation to rotate text tab, so orientation to rotate text tab and orientation to rotate text tab, okay, rotate text tab. And next is event budget, so type the event budgets and press enter. And next is and select the my cell and apply the middle line, apply the bold and change the font size to 24. Apply the middle line, so click the middle line. And next is apply the bold and change the font size to 24. So click the bold and change the font size to 24. So font size to 24. So question number 6 is complete. And we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, to the my cell apply a fill color in the 5th column, select the second color. To the my cell, so select the merge cell and apply the my cell and apply the fill color in the 5th column, select the second color. So fill color in the 5th column, select the second color, merge cell and fill colors in the 5th column, fill color in the 5th column, second color. Click the fill color, 5th column, second color. Fifth column and second color. 5th column, select the second color. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, select the range D8 to D12 and B70 to E25. Remove the lock to formatting in selected cell and protect the worksheet. We show the checkbox at the top and first two checkbox are list selected, and then password is the go series. So select the range D8 to D12, copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and next is B70 to E25. So B70 to E25, B70 to E25, E25, and next is to move the locked formatting from the selected cell. So right click and format cell, click the protection, click the lock, remove the locks and click OK. And next is, and then protect the worksheet be show checkbox at the top of the first two checkbox in the list or selected it, and as the go series, copy the password selected list or selected, and go to the home tabs and click the format and protect sheet is password go series and re-enter password, click OK. So question number 8 is complete. If you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and close the file and submit for grading. You do not need to submit your template file. So save the files and click save as, and next is click the save 6F budgets, so click the close, and next is go to the Excel 6F classwork event budgets. Excel 6F classwork event budget, go 22, Excel chapter 6 graded 6F homework event budgets, upload file and submit for grading. Excel 6F event budgets and click open and click upload. So upload the assignment and check the score. Click the continue. So check the current score. Excel 6F classwork event budget is current score is 99%. So you can see the score, current score is 99%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.